Hi guys! Today we compare Apple iPhone Air versus Apple iPhone 17e.
Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad.
Camera.
I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like.
The Apple
Oh
iPhone
God, here goes. I
17e
lost all
come with
feeling from my head
48
to my toes. You
megapixel
said some
camera
shit
and
that I can't
4K
let
60
go, so just
FPS
stay
video
tuned for the rest
recording.
of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things. Realize something needs change.
Apple iPhone Air come with single camera 48 megapixel and 4K 60 FPS video recording. Apple iPhone 17e come with 12 megapixel and SL3D, depth biometrics sensor, selfie camera, 4K 60 FPS video recording. Apple iPhone Air come with 18 megapixel and SL3D, depth biometrics sensor, selfie camera, 4K 60 FPS video recording. Both mobile come with hexa-core CPU 4.26 GHz, Apple A19 Pro 3nm chipset, and Apple GPU. Apple iPhone 17e come with 8GB of RAM and 256 and 512GB storage. Apple iPhone Air come with 12GB of RAM and 256, 512, and 1TB storage. Not support SD card. Apple iPhone Air come with 3,149 mAh battery and 35-watt wire and 20-watt wireless charging support. Apple iPhone 17e come with 4,005 mAh battery and 35-watt wire and 15-watt wireless charging support. Both mobile come with OLED display. iPhone Air come with 6.5-inch screen and Apple iPhone 17e 6.1-inch. iPhone Air come with 1.5K screen resolution and 460 ppi density. Apple iPhone 17e come with 1170 by 2532 screen resolution and 460 ppi density. Apple iPhone 17e come with 60 Hz refresh rate and 86.0% screen-to-body ratio. Both mobile come with 120 Hz refresh rate and 89.9% screen-to-body ratio. Both mobile come with Ceramic Shield 2 screen protection. Apple iPhone Air and Apple iPhone 17e come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, NFC, NVMe, Face ID, IP68 dust-tight and water-resistant. Apple iPhone Air got 21 points and Apple iPhone 17e 14 points.